Look, I used to think steaming food was just for people on strict diets until I realized a good steamer completely changes how your dinner tastes. But buying the wrong one will leave you with a watery mess and a ruined countertop. Today, I am counting down the top 6 food steamers on the market, going from the ones with some annoying quirks to the absolute best unit you can buy right now. Let me explain why the most expensive option is not always the smartest choice. 6. Cuisinart Cookfresh Digital Glass Food Steamer. When you first pull this thing out of the box, it genuinely looks like a premium piece of kitchen equipment. The main selling point here is the massive 5-liter glass pot. The idea is that you get to steam your food in a pure glass environment, which sounds great if you are worried about plastic leaching into your meals. It has a digital display and pre-programmed settings for seafood, poultry, grains, and vegetables. But here's where the reality of using it sets in. That glass pot is incredibly heavy. When you have it loaded up with a family-sized portion of broccoli and sweet potatoes, lifting it out of the base feels like a minor workout. And because it is glass, it gets incredibly hot to the touch. I found myself fumbling with oven mitts just to serve dinner, which kind of defeats the purpose of a quick and easy meal. Then there's the steam delivery system. Cuisinart uses a top-down steaming method where the steam comes from above. It cooks the food fast, I'll give it that, but it also creates a massive amount of condensation that just pools at the bottom of the glass dish. If you're steaming something delicate like fish, it ends up sitting in a puddle of its own murky water by the end of the cooking cycle. You know, another thing that really frustrated me during testing was the overall footprint. This machine is bulky. 5. Bare Electric Multifunctional Food Steamer. Now this one immediately caught my eye because it offers 3 tiers of stainless steel steaming baskets. Upgrading to stainless steel is usually a huge win because it is durable and easy to clean. You can stack different foods, maybe rice on the bottom, veggies in the middle, and chicken on top. However, testing this unit revealed some definite compromises. The moment I started assembling the tiers, I noticed that the stainless steel feels surprisingly thin. I mean, it's not going to fall apart in your hands, but it definitely lacks that heavy, premium feel you want from a metal appliance. The baskets also do not lock together with a reassuring fit. They sort of just sit on top of each other, and if you bump the machine slightly, they can shift around. When it comes to actual cooking, the performance is a bit sluggish. Because the metal is thin and the seal between the tiers is not perfectly tight, a lot of steam escapes from the sides. This means it takes noticeably longer to heat up and actually start cooking your food compared to other models I tested. I was waiting around just for the water to reach a rolling boil. There is also a quirky issue with the water reservoir. If you fill it even a millimeter past the maximum line, the water tends to bubble up violently and spit out of the base while it's heating. 4. Elite Gourmet EST 250. Here is where things start taking a really positive turn. When I first saw this, I actually laughed because it is incredibly small. It is just a 2.5 quart capacity and it uses plastic baskets. Honestly, I did not expect much from it at all. But let me tell you, this little machine completely surprised me. It is designed for single people, college students in dorms, or anyone who just wants to make the quick side dish without dirtying a massive appliance. Because the capacity is so small, the heating element brings the water to a boil almost instantly. You turn the dial, and within 30 seconds, the entire chamber is filled with thick steam. I tested it by throwing in a single chicken breast and a handful of asparagus. It cooked everything perfectly and remarkably fast. The dial is analog, which means there are no confusing digital menus to navigate. You just twist it to the time you need, and it dings when it is done. It is the definition of plug-and-play cooking. Now, I know people worry about plastic, but the baskets are BPA-free, and they actually feel quite sturdy for the price point. The best part is the cleanup. Because the baskets are tiny, you can just toss them into the top rack of the dishwasher or wash them in the sink in about 10 seconds. It takes up virtually zero space in your cabinets. KabFbit electric steamer. Let that number sink in for a second. 24 liters. This thing is an absolute monster in the best way possible. If you do weekly meal prep or you have a large family, this steamer changes the entire game. During my testing, the sheer spatial freedom of this machine was mind-blowing. I was able to steam an entire whole fish on one side while steaming a massive batch of tamales on the other. The rectangular shape is so much more practical than the standard round steamers. You do not have to cut your long vegetables or fish in half just to make them fit inside the baskets. What really sets this unit apart is the independent control system. It is basically split down the middle. If you only want to steam a small portion of broccoli, you do not have to heat up the entire 24-liter cavern. You can just turn on one side. This makes it surprisingly energy efficient for its massive size. The steam generation is incredibly powerful. You would think a chamber this large would take forever to fill with steam, but the dual heating elements go to work immediately. The food cooks evenly, and the moisture retention inside the thick plastic walls is excellent. My steam buns came out incredibly soft without any weird dry spots. Sure, it demands a dedicated spot in your kitchen because it is huge, but if you routinely cook large meals, the KabFbit is a powerhouse. 2. BUYDEEM Electric Food Steamer. If we were judging purely on aesthetics, this would win first place without a doubt. It has this gorgeous, retro-inspired design with premium stainless steel accents and a soft color palette. It is the kind of appliance you actually want your guests to see sitting on your counter. But it is not just a pretty face. The engineering here is incredibly smart. The BUYDEEM comes with specialized ceramic stew pots that fit right into the steaming rack. This completely blew my mind during testing. I was able to slow cook a rich chicken broth inside the ceramic pots while simultaneously steaming sweet potatoes right next to them. It is a true multitasker. The digital interface is wonderfully intuitive. It offers precise temperature control and a slow cook feature that gently simmers food over hours. The heating algorithm is very smart. It doesn't just blast your food with maximum heat the whole time. It regulates the steam output to ensure delicate items like custard or fish do not get totally destroyed by aggressive boiling. You know what my absolute favorite feature is? The side water filling port. With almost every other steamer, if you run out of water during a long cook, you have to lift the hot dripping baskets off the base to refill it. With the BUYDEEM, you just pop open a little door on the side and pour water right in. It is such a simple design choice, but it vastly improves the cooking experience. Cuisine FS 2500 Electric Food Steamer. This machine is the perfect marriage of durability, performance, and everyday usability. It does not have Wi-Fi, it does not talk to your phone, it just steams food flawlessly every single time you turn it on. The standout feature here is the pure, high-quality stainless steel steaming baskets. Unlike the flimsy metal we saw earlier on the list, the Cuisine uses thick, solid steel. There is absolutely zero plastic coming into contact with your hot food. After weeks of heavy testing, cooking everything from pungent garlic shrimp to simple rice, the baskets held zero odors and scrubbed clean with practically zero effort. The digital control panel is straightforward and highly reliable. You have a very clear timer and a keep warm function that actually works the way it's supposed to. A lot of steamers just keep cooking your food on the keep warm setting, turning your veggies into mush. But the Cuisine drops the temperature just enough to keep the food hot without ruining the texture. What really pushed this to number one for me is how perfectly it fits into a daily routine. The water reservoir is large enough that it never runs dry during a standard meal. The steam output is consistent and powerful, and the entire unit feels like it is built to last for a decade. The baskets even nest inside each other nicely, so you can store it away without it taking over your whole cabinet. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.